Hi, welcome back to this video tutorial, and of course I remain Moses. In today's video tutorial, we'll proceed with creating our blog website. As you can see in previous video, we created this particular blog homepage and the footer. So in today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a special page for your categories. For now, if I should move about categories and I click on domains or one of the categories right there, to bring me to a page like this one. Now this is the default theme layout for the categories. I don't like this design. I can always customize it. If I click on one of the articles to bring me to a page like this, you can also customize how you want your single post page to look like. You can customize it, but I won't be teaching you that in this video tutorial. We're going to be touching on that in the mentorship class. This layout is good enough if you want to work with it, but if you want to learn how to customize on default post layout, make it to the mentorship program. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to come back to my dashboard. I think we're done with this guy. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'm going to come back to my dashboard and I want to come to template, and you click on theme builder. So what I want to create now is what we call the archive page. This one right here, the archive page. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, you can create your own custom search result page. You can create your own custom error 404. You can create your own custom single post and stuff like that. But for now, what I'll be teaching you is how to create the archive page. I'm going to click on archive and add new. I'm just going to call this categories. I'm going to click on create template. This will bring me to this page. As you can see, there are a lot of templates you can work with, but we ignore that. I'm going to close this particular page. Now the first thing we want to have is the title of our category. Cool. So I'm just going to come back to the home page. I'll come back to the home page to steal or copy this entire design. I want to use this entire design for my categories. I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. So now what I want to do is to copy this particular section. I want to copy this particular section right here. I'm going to right click, copy, come back to my categories page, and I'm going to click on paste. This time around, I'm going to reduce the padding top and padding bottom to something like 30 and 30, something like this. And I want to increase this column to something like 70% or 60%. 60%. Perfect. Cool. And I think I'm going to delete this title right here. I'm going to delete it, and this time around I want to make use of the archive title. I'm going to drag it above this. Perfect. I'm going to come to styles. I'm going to make this pure white, and typography Roboto. I want to make this 60, or better still something like 60. 60 is cool for me. 60, and I like it like this. And you can decide to delete the search button, but for me, I'm going to leave it. Now for my body, I'm going to drag in the double column. I'm going to make the first column something like 80, or better still 70, and this will be 30. I'm going to click on this, come to advanced, unchain it, give it padding top of 50, padding bottom of 50, as you can see. And I'm going to come back to my home to copy probably something that I can work with. Oh, I'll just come back here. I'm going to search for posts, and I'm going to drag in the archive posts widget to this place right here, and we get this. As you can see, I'm going to make this card. Cool. And I want just 2 columns. I want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm cool with 6 on each page. 2 columns, show image, blah blah blah, title, yes, excerpt, yes, read more, yes, badge, yes. Then this avatar, you can decide to show it or decide not to show it, but for me, I don't want to show it. I'm going to remove the avatar. We are cool for this page. For the sidebar, I'm going to drag in, I'm going to close this, close this, close this, and close this, close this. I want to work with something like simple slider right here. And this time around, I want it to be latest posts, and post limit should be 6. Slide to show, slide option should be, slide to show should be 1. Perfect. And slide to scroll should be 1. So I have this young man right here. So the next thing I want to put is, I just drag in a light grid right here. And this time around, post limit should be something like 5. And style and layout, I want it to be just 1 column. Perfect. Simple as ABC. Simple as ABC. You can decide to add more stuff here. I can decide to add an image or add a design or add anything, just like you're designing your normal website. You can add anything. For example, you can decide to add a video right here. You can decide to add a video right here. I should click on this. So there's a default text right here, default link right here. You can copy a link and paste it there from YouTube. You can add anything. So for the remaining bodies, I'm just going to leave this like this. You can decide to add more stuff. If I come back to the home page, I can copy this from here. Or I want to add something like related posts. Let's add something like related posts. So I'm just going to come back here and find something like classic grid. Cool. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to come back to post source. I'm going to make it related. Perfect. So the essence of related post is this will display posts related to the categories that it is being displayed. So I'm just going to drag in, copy the heading from here, copy this heading. I'm going to paste it to this column and I'll drag it up. I'll drag it all the way up. Perfect. I'm going to come back to copy this little separator right here. I'll also paste it and I'll drag it all the way here. Perfect. I'm going to click on this to make it mobile responsive. And we have this young man right here. This is perfect to me actually, and we need to work on this one in particular. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to scroll all the way to style and layouts, and it should be 1 column. Perfect. This is perfect to me, and this is perfect also. I'm going to select this, and I think this is cool. I'm going to select the mobile version. And we have this young man right here. We have this. We have this related post, and I'm going to click on publish. Now this is where you need to set your condition. I'm going to click on add condition. I'm going to click on include all archives. All archives should look like this, or better still, you can be more specific and come to post archives or select categories. Now you can decide to select individual categories, but this time around I want this design to apply to all categories. Understand? All categories. Or better still, you can use all archives, but most times I don't use all archives, I use all categories. So I'm going to click on save and close, and this will publish. Cool. If I should visit my website, which is blog.masterclass.name.ng, we have the home page, Now if I should click on one of the categories, let me just click on domains, and this time around the design for the categories have changed compared to the ugly one we have before. So as you can see, this is more presentable, this is more simple and more presentable. As you can see, this is more presentable. We have the main content and we have the sidebar. This is way more presentable. As you can see, let me just give this a little bit space underneath right here. Go click on the desktop mode, I'll select this, come to advanced and change it and give it margin bottom of something like 60. But for now, let me just click on update for this. And we have this young man. Let me reload this particular category page, and we have this young man. This is perfect and this is straightforward. You can decide to explore more, to create more pages, to create more stuffs. And also if I just search for something, let me just search for demo. I click on enter. As you can see, this is my search result. This is my search result, which is cool to me. You can decide to create a custom design for your search results. Also from the templates set, you come to settings, you go to templates, theme builders, you see search there. You can create a custom page for search. So you can always search. I click on this, I can also search from here, and this will give me whatever I'm looking for. If I click on this and I click on security, it will also take the design I created. As you can see, the category is security. If I click on this and I click on hosting, it brings the category of hosting. So you can explore, just explore with Elementor. The thing is, the more you use Elementor, the easier it gets. So this is where we are going to stop for this video tutorial. Of course, I remain Moses, and I'll see you in the next.